up a fish line to pull the new light cable through the conduit. This one's all the way on the ground. It's a LED light going in. So gonna make things much nicer. Lost about 10 years, hopefully. Time will tell. They can't all be easy. This one's got a bit of a restriction right where it goes through the conduit, and of course it's down there in the where it's not so easy to get to. But pull it through, hook it up. Okay, here's the box hookup, and you're gonna pull it through. Trying to pull it through. This one's pretty tough. There we go. Hey. Yeah, my friend's pushing through on the other side, so that helps when you get a little bit of push on both sides. There it is. We're through, and now it can be hooked up. And pulling these through, you just want to leave enough room so that you can wrap the cord around the base of the light so that you can actually pull the light up onto the deck to replace the bulb if needed. Obviously with LED lights, they last 10 plus years, so you're probably not going to be replacing lights. You're going to be replacing the whole fixture mostly. You can replace the lights though. These have a trim plate, a surround ring that is mounted under the plaster, and this is a tiled in spa. Now normally they would put the set screw on the top, and there's a little hook portion that the light fixture can hook in under on the bottom. Thing is, they got creative on this one. Not only did they put this closer to the bottom of the spa, but they also didn't mount it straight. They put the set screw towards the bottom at about a 5 o'clock angle. So just not really the way it should be. You'd really, the set screw being at 12 o'clock would be ideal, and just nice. That way everything's consistent, but it's not how it always is. There's also a bunch of plaster in there making it really difficult to turn the light fixture in and set the screw in the niche. Okay, so here goes the hookup. Here what we have is the spa light coming up to the center, the pool light on the left, and the line to the timer on the right, or from the timer on the right. And what we did was left the hot line connected. That way it doesn't drop into either side, doesn't drop into the conduit. We don't lose our connections. Here's the neutral, the white, and neutral white on the other side, and going to be hooking things up. Now here it was pretty nice and convenient that everything was color coded properly. You don't always find that. A lot of times the wires that are used are the wires that are there, and unfortunately they're not always color coded properly. What you can do is mark the wires wrap them with a piece of white tape for the neutral, piece of black tape for the hot, and that way everybody knows what's going on when they're working on the system. It's just nice to have everything labeled properly. Anyway, this setup, the wires were the proper color, so it makes it a lot easier. Black is hot, white is neutral, green is ground. Yeah, straightforward. Anyway, this one, a spa and a pool light are hooked up under the junction box, and the timer controls both of them, which is also hooked up to GFI. GFI, a ground fault circuit interrupter. Any small little fluctuation and it just trips, just like that. And it's a life-saving device, the GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter. It's important for anything close to water. Okay, so I thought I'd just go over how this is run. We go from the pool breaker down to the GFI, and it's line and load. The GFI feeds the timer for the pool and spa lights, and from here it goes over to our junction box, and then from there feeds to the pool and the spa. Yeah. And this just gets covered up here, and it's got a gasket and 4 screws that we set it in. So just 4 screws, no big deal. All right. Anyway, with the LED fixture, you're putting it in once. It's going to last 10 plus years. So really a nice way to go, especially on this particular one. Most of my other spas are up above where it's, you know, on the first step and much easier to get to. This one's all the way towards the bottom. Hence was, I think, the best call to go ahead and replace it with the LED fixture. Now, the color temperature of the LEDs is also really nice, you know, plus the energy savings. I'll have to do a video showing you how much money you can actually save going with LED fixtures, or what's the reality of the situation there. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. This is changing out spa light fixture with LED fixtures, and also changed out some pool fixtures, and I'll show you a couple of photos difference of the lights for the pool and spa versus you know, here's one with just the pool, and then the spa is a regular incandescent light, and then here's another with the pool and the spa being LED lights, and then here's another with the spa LED light, the pool a regular light. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.